Hi and welcome to Make a Bag. In this short introduction video, we will show you how easy it is to create a bag with our app. In the first step, just choose one of many base models. In the second step, choose the main material of your bag and decide if you want to use one of our templates or start with a clean slate. In this case, we go with a white synthetic leather. Now you can select any area of the bag and apply whatever material, surface or color you want. If you would like to change everything at once, simply hold down your finger. We can choose many different colors for the edges of the bag. And the same is true for the seam color. It's also possible to add any of your own personal pictures. Just upload them or choose one of the patterns from our huge library. The method is the same. Select the area you want to change and apply the pattern or picture you choose. You can of course use filters, adjust them or change the light and color. In this case, we will select this nice pattern and apply it to all the edges of the bag while we keep the middle black. Another great way to personalize your bag is by selecting one of our many different zippers. And obviously, you can change the fabric color of the zipper. There are many different metal colors to choose from, and once you decided on the metal, it will be applied to the whole bag. You can also change the strap of the bag and once again apply any design you like to it. The same is true for the handle. Just choose the model you like, select the handle, and then apply any material, color or pattern you like. Once we are happy with the outside of the bag, it's time to take a look at the inside. You can select one of the many different pockets that you can apply on both sides of the bag. Of course, you can also choose any color for the inside of the bag. And as with any other surface area of the bag, it's also possible to apply your own pictures or one of our patterns again. Let's add our own logo to the pocket. We just select the logo, change the size, and then apply it to the inside of the pocket. If you would like to add text to your bag, that's also possible. Choose a font, change the size of the text, and write whatever you like. You can freely position it anywhere on the bag. If you repeat this step multiple times, it's possible to create any text layout you want. Let's speed things up to show what you can do. Another way to add text to your bag is by embossing. Once again, you can choose from different colors and sizes, write down the text, and then place it anywhere on the bag. When you are done, you can have a final look at your creation. Once you are happy with it, we will make it just for you and deliver it right to your doorstep. Our Make a Bag app will be available on all devices. Until it's finished, we hope to see you on Kickstarter. Make your bag come true.